Hey there, fellow marketers, Ryan Nielsen here. Let's talk about a tool that's been a game changer for every online professional, ChatGPT. Now, we've all used it probably almost every day, but here's the catch. When it comes to getting ChatGPT to write your marketing, content, or copy, not everyone can nail the perfect output. Why is that? Well, because ChatGPT isn't your tailor-made solution for marketers. If you want it to speak your marketing language, you're in for hours and hours of training. And let's be honest, constantly correcting it isn't the most efficient use of our time. But fear not, I want to tell you about a new tool that Neil Napier and his team have launched earlier this week. They swooped in with a solution that's faster and more affordable than anything in the market. Introducing ChatGorilla. And guess what? For this week only, you can access this ChatGPT killer for a very special one-time fee. That's right, you'll get commercial rights to ChatGorilla with the latest upgrades for ChatGPT forever. So here's a sneak peek into the wonders of ChatGorilla. You will see how you can fine-tune your website for SEO with strategies honed by top-tier developers. You'll have the ability to craft compelling sales pages, upsell pitches, and webinar descriptions with a marketer's precision. You can design email campaigns that engage, retain, and convert. You'll be able to generate SEO-rich blog posts, riveting video sales letters, and podcast scripts. You can even script engaging YouTube and TikTok video narratives. You'll also be able to design SEO-optimized product listings for platforms like Shopify. This last one is my absolute favorite feature. You can actually create stunning images right inside ChatGorilla. The best part, with ChatGorilla, you don't have to spend time learning about prompt engineering. It comes preloaded with 1,000 prompts used by a $12 million business on a daily basis. Folks, if you're a fan of working faster and smarter like I am, unlock your license to ChatGorilla now. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Seize the moment and click on the link below this video. Unlock your license and let ChatGorilla revolutionize your marketing journey. And if you missed the pre-launch webinar, I've included a link to the replay below as well. So click the link below this video and learn how you can really elevate your marketing game with ChatGorilla. And if you like what you see here, please go ahead and click the like button, put a comment in the description below, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.
Hello and welcome to this demo of ChatGorilla. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how ChatGorilla works and why it's so much better than any other AI app that is conversational, and how it can really help you assist with pretty much every marketing material that you may ever need for any sort of purpose. When you log in, you're going to see a very friendly dashboard by default, and you can even bring in your data from ChatGPT. So you can simply import the files here, and we're going to basically bring all of your data from ChatGPT to ChatGorilla. The most basic feature is the simple chat feature, which basically allows you to go ahead and start a conversation. So let me just drop a super simple question. And that's how you go about the most basic use case scenario. The amazing thing about ChatGorilla is that you can have it create images as well as analyze PDF files right from within the chat itself. So let's say I want to create an image. All I have to do is type /draw, or I don't even have to type it. As soon as I type /, it shows me the options that I have, and once I select it, I can just ask it for a cat sitting in front of a bonfire near a window, snowing outside, and I can simply send that, and it's going to take a few seconds to get me the images that I want. And there you have it. Now I can simply go ahead and generate more and more variations of it. And I can basically generate as many variations as I would like. And once I have a variation that I like, I can simply click on the download button and save it to my PC. Now, the exceptional feature that I would really like to show you is this part where you basically get 1000 plus prompts built into the ChatGorilla app, and you can simply go ahead and create whatever it is that you want to create. So for this example, let's just say I want to create a sales script, and then you have a whole host of options for each and every single thing that you go for. So you can you want something for your social media channel, you can tell the app what do you want exactly. You want to improve your website's SEO, you have a few different things that you can do here. You want to create an SMS marketing campaign, you have a few different options here. You want to create an email sequence, you can basically generate a whole host of things including affiliate product emails, cold emails, newsletters, cart abandonment, and even like subject ideas and all of that good stuff. Let's just go ahead and create an email. So say I want to write a newsletter. Now it's gonna ask me what tone do I want it to generate the email in. So I can say professional perhaps. I can even be helpful or enthusiastic or whatever I'd like. And again, each field has different questions for you, right? So as you see here, each question sequence is tailored especially so it can bring you the best prompt that you can use to generate the best copy or whatever it is that you create. So let's go ahead and come back to newsletter. Enthusiastic is fine. Let's say selling, or let's just say selling a white label supplement. Who was my target audience? Fitness enthusiasts. And all I have to do is click on the start chat button. I can give it a title. Let's just call it test for now. And create prompt. Now, when I come here, you're going to see the prompt is ready for me. I can of course go in and basically, generate, I edit the prompt to make sure that it is what I want. And basically the way we have tailored the prompts is it's going to bring you better results. So it exactly addresses the AI, how the AI wants to be addressed. So let's just hit enter and drop this message. And here you go. You have your subject, boost your fitness routine with our incredible white label supplement, right? So that's one thing. Now again, I have a whole host of things that I can do with it. So I can create something for an affiliate product, something for my customer service, something for my website and e-com store, a whole, like I said, we have 1,000 built-in prompts. And in some cases, we even have like multiple prompts for a specific, category. So yeah, each and everything is super customizable. It brings you results that are unimaginable. But yeah, that's about it for this video. All the rest of the details about ChatGorilla are going to be on this page. So pick your copy up and we're going to see you on the inside.